One of the lessons we learned in the first burn of the Weber Jumbo Joe Premium is that we had a hard time regulating temperature. The nut on the shutter, I guess you call it a shutter, the damper, was too tight and it didn't allow for that damper to move freely back and forth. We went ahead and loosened that up. The other issue we had was we never really knew what the temperature was. So we went on to Amazon and we ordered us a little 2-inch thermostat. It's got a 3/8 inch diameter shank, and we're going to bore a hole between the hanger hook and the outside of the lid so we can mount this. Again, it's important that it goes outside of the hook, and it is a 3/8 inch bore that we need to make. Now we're going to use the Harbor Freight 1/2 inch drive hammer drill with the hammer action turned off, a 3/8 inch titanium nitride bit that we're just going to go ahead and chuck up in the drill. And once it's chucked, we're going to go ahead and tighten it up with that chuck key. And now we're going to go ahead and locate where we want the hole. Once the bit's chucked up, we find our location we want to drill at, which is going to be approximately halfway between the outside edge of the hook and the inside lip of the lid. Once we know where we're going to drill, let's go ahead and clamp this in the bench vise. That way that the workpiece is good and stable so it's not moving on us while we try to drill. Okay, now that we're clamped, we're just going to kind of freehand this. It's not going to be super accurate. We just want to put a hole basically far enough away from that hook that the nut can go in without striking the hook. And there's our hole. Okay, now we put the thermostat through the hole and we slide the nut on, get it started, and get it down hand tight. And now we simply tighten this down with a 16mm combination wrench. And there it is, the finished product. Easy enough to do and a very useful upgrade to your Weber kettle. If you like my videos, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to go back into the old catalog by clicking my channel and then clicking on the videos link. There's lots of decent stuff back there you may be interested in. And like I always say to you folks, be busy, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.